standing on the moon. I got no cobwebs on my shoes, standing on the moon. Well, I'm feeling so alone and blue. I see the Gulf of Mexico, as tiny as a tear. The coast of California must be somewhere over here, over here. Standing on the moon, I see the battle rage below. Standing on the moon, I see the soldiers come and go. There's a metal flag beside me, someone planted long ago. Old Glory standing stiff, crimson, white, and indigo. Old Glory standing stiff, crimson, white, and indigo, indigo. I see all of Southeast Asia, I can see El Salvador. I hear the cries of children and the other song of war. It's like a mighty melody that rings down from the sky. Standing here upon the moon, I watch it all roll by, all roll by, all roll by, all roll by. Standing on the moon, I see a shadow on the sun. Standing on the moon, the stars go fading one by one. I can hear a cry of victory, another of defeat, a scrap of age-old lullaby down some forgotten street. Standing on the moon, where talk is cheap and vision true. Standing on the moon, but I would rather be with you. Somewhere in Honolulu, on a back porch in July, just looking up to heaven at this crescent in the sky, in the sky. Standing on the moon with nothing left to do, a lovely view of heaven, but I'd rather be with you. A lovely view of heaven, but I'd rather be with you, be with you, be with you. I'd rather be with you, rather be with Mahalo. Send it out to Lisa, Fades. All right, you guys. Mahalo. Thanks, guys.